sugar and the cocoa powder. Everything is in the pot right now. About to boil in a couple minutes. And from there, we'll make delicious cookies.
Yum.
We are just stirring it periodically to combine all of the ingredients so we don't get any of these lumps and everything becomes incorporated. And after that,
And we also followed the recipe.
yes, the recipe that was for these cookies online.
We
So
forgot about where
hopefully
we found it. Possibly on Google.
Hopefully this time it doesn't turn out into a puddle of chocolate.
Yeah.
We've been there a couple times.
Like I would make.
Yeah, been there a couple times, but we got this.
You do. I'm getting old.
Getting
Huh?
that old.
Oh,
You're not that old. You're not that old.
Hmm.
You may feel like you're that old, but you're not that old.
Yeah, I'm like 105.
Just children off my lawn. You're rapscallions.
With a wheelchair.
Just a motorized wheelchair. Crank that thing up to like 1 million. Just mow down the neighborhood. Just oh, there goes Grandma again. Bye, Grandma.
I could be us one day.
Honestly, I could see that happening and be like, watch this, kids. Cranks it up. Freaking speeding 50 miles per hour down the road in a wheelchair.
You knowing me, I would probably run into you.
It's okay, we'll both crash. It'll be fine.
Oh no, I broke my back.
So worth it.
Right?
Worth everything.
Peanut butter
Incorporate everything.
and
Look at that.
oats. We put butter, milk, cocoa powder, and what else?
Cocoa powder,
Sugar.
sugar,
Yep.
milk, and butter.
Any
Starting to
type
look-
of sugar is okay. It works.
It's looking pretty good. It's starting to melt really nicely. We're stirring it so that way nothing burns on the bottom of the pan, because burnt chocolate is not what we're going for today.
Mm-hmm.
It would smell awful.
Really? You ain't done that before?
But milk chocolate and burn it in the pan? Yeah, I've done that a couple times. I was a kid. Somebody left me in the kitchen. I'm like, I want milk chocolate. Did not turn out well.
Oh no.
Okay. Seems like everything is combined pretty well, so we will let it boil for a minute. And
It's been a minute.
then we can take it off the heat. As it's boiled and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't care how
Now, turn it off.
putting myself on camera is so difficult
It's alright.
with a phone. in my hand by filming you. And it's fine. Yo.
Just hell. Okay. Now that that has boiled for a minute, we will go get that.
You scared me. Oh my.
Okay.
All I
Now,
heard
we will
was.
look at the recipe to see how much peanut butter we need.
Oh my god.
How much?
Oh. She really frightened me.
We're too easily startled by things.
Hmm? Seriously, all I heard was a plastic bag, and I thought it was a dog. And we have a dog. Mm-hmm.
Just okay.
It's oh. Like oh yum.
Cookies. This is Chris, the fiance.
Hi.
She says hi.
Hola. What's up?
Are you having fun with filters? I'm having fun with filters. Okay. Hang on just a second. I have to look up how much peanut butter to put in. Okay. You need 1 cup peanut butter. And then
Okay.
1
cup.
tablespoon of the
Where's the oh.
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Oh, no. What? Lovely. That's lovely. Okie dokie. And then a tablespoon. What is it? Almond.
Almost.
Okay.
I didn't know there was a frickin' town in Pennsylvania called Broadview.
That's funny.
Stamp colors. They're called.
We are about to add the peanut butter into this thing, which we might end up using the rest of the jar. Just might. I have a feeling.
My pants are too large because they're falling down.
Oh, get different pants. Just get different pants if your pants are falling down. She said her pants are too big, so they're falling down.
Well, get a belt.
She has sweatpants on.
Then get a string.
I know, right? Oh, right.
But they look pants.
Aw. I see. Are you a horse? Are you a horse, of course, of course?
Sure, let's go with that.
Oh my god! My mama used to say that. Oh, that was so
My dad says it all the time. That should be good.
Customers.
Alright. Combined everything until
I can help you.
the peanut butter and everything is melted.
Hello.
Hello.
Peanut butter melts.
Hang on just a second.
Oh wait.
Would you like
It
anything
does.
else? 786, second window. Gabriel on the phone at work.
Yay.
I don't care
I know.
Hi, how can I help
Okay.
you? 2 ounces of what? And would you like anything else?
Should be good. Then you add in.
656, I want them.
Okay, I think we're good.
It's not.
Ah, so much. That's so much.
Not so much.
She handled so many oats. She's like, we're just going for it. We're just gonna do this thing.
Yep.
Hey, Pooh,
What?
don't forget the peanut butter.
We already added the peanut butter.
Add more peanut butter.
No.
Gotta have the whole jar.
No. Okay.
Never have had it the whole time. What are you talking about?
We have added so much peanut butter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then you just wait for it to all cook through. Dang. It hasn't fully cooked yet. It's still very dry. You got. It takes like a minute or two for the oats to cook. Because it's going to absorb a lot of the water.
There you go.
What water we did power?
The liquid. The liquid in the pot.
Already.
Because it absorbs it as it cooks.
All these customers. Yeah, it was. We had absolutely no time to do anything.
I mean, man.
Hello. 656.
Ah, so much peanut butter. It's everywhere. Oh, goodness gracious.
There you go. There's peanut butter everywhere. You just need a dog there.
He just said that we need a dog to get all the peanut butter.
I love dogs.
You love dogs. Dogs are fun. I had one.
Hey, it's a bunch of the same exact car or color cars. They had the freaking car carrier color coordinated.
Oh.
Oh my god, say that 6 times fast. Car carrier color
Him and his tongue twisters.
How
Ah.
can I help
Here you
you?
go. You got it now?
Yep.
You good?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Okay.